job, guys. The hydrogen lab. You having fun?
Yeah.
All right. Good work, girls. Ooh, look at all that hydrogen. That's a lot.
That was popping off, yo. We chilling.
You chilling? All right, get another test tube and run the reaction again, guys.
Yeah, man. It popped off, yo. We are excited.
Okay. Good work, guys. Good work. All right, good group here. Oh man, this is like a hydrogen factory. How many you got?
5.
Wow. That is incredible. Good job, girls. We having fun? How's it going, guys?
It's not gonna explode. Both of you. Look, it didn't explode this time.
Yeah, the first time it got clogged.
This is the after. Hello, YouTube. Subscribe to Win.
That's right. Coach Wien.
That's why you don't put more crystals in Irving.
Good job, you guys. Looks good. Good group. What a crew.
Whoa!
That's it. Remember to wait like 2 seconds. It's good. Let's see it, guys. Good.
No, that's on. Straight is on.
Good.
This one's on time.
That was good.
Guys, hurry up before I get this. Last one.
That was good. Does that scare you?
Yeah.
2, 1.
Subscribe!
You guys all used them up. Good work, everyone. We having fun?
Yes!
You all right?
Yeah. Wait, Joe! That's the last one. We need more test tubes. Mr. Wade.
Okay, we are in step 2, production. Production. It's a hydrogen factory in here. Oh, you maxed out your test tubes. That's good. 1 sec. You maxed them out.
We don't have any more. We don't have any more tests.
You maxed it out?
Yeah.
Okay, well that's good. You guys are good. You maxed it out.
But it's still going. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's still going.
That's all right. Just let it go.
It's not. You waited.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
1. Let's see it.
Get that jar.
Wait, no.
Ooh, that was good. Let's see it.
There's water in it.
It's fine. Let's do this. That was pretty good, guys. 3 at once. Here we go.
3 at once.
Ooh, that was good. This is great.
Is this normal, Mr.
Yeah, that's normal. Great job, everyone. Oh, let me see that. That was good. A good move. There it is. All right. Good job, guys. This is impressive. I want to get this on film. This is like a factory. Efficiency. Like the Eagles. Like the Browns 2 years ago. Good job, guys. Good job, JJ. Colt. Go Birds. Good work, everyone. Everything satisfactory here? Is it working a little better? Good. A lot better. Good. Good. Keep those safety glasses on.
I won't.
You having fun? Sorry, that is, when that pops off, it's downright terrifying.
Yeah, the thing popped off.
I know. That means the pressure builds up. Sorry, that's terrifying.
Keep it on until it fills it up max. Dude, that's not gonna fill anything. I like when it goes. Look at this. This is not filling anything.
How you doing?
Hi.
You having fun?
No,
Oh,
because
come
Cole
on.
already broke the test tube. Cole broke the test tube.
Oh well. Cole. 3, 2, 1. Good. Put it up here in the trough. Be careful. That's all right.
We finished.
Load up. I'm gonna go in on film. That's pretty good.
Good.
Let's get a better one.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
Oh, watch your step. I gotta clean that. This will be good. Ready?
Oh, that blew out. Oh, the Bunsen burner blew out.
Another one. Count to 2. Ooh, that was good. Not bad. Good job, girls. Good work.
Hydrogen lab.
It's a factory.
TV room. Go do it. What are you saying?
Good job, girls. Doing good. To the hydrogen factory. Let's get a good one.
I did. How's it go?
Yeah, baby. Woo! There it is.